Today's video is going to be can you not go away? Okay, so today's video is going to, baby, you're so annoying. You guys, I am not able to speak because my boyfriend is like making fun of me. So like, why are you making fun of me? You guys, this is my boyfriend Bradley. Baby, these are the people.
Hi people.
These are the people that are gonna start watching me prank you. What do you guys want to see me prank him? I'm always like scaring him and everything, and
I'm scaring you. I don't even have to try.
This is my baby. Hey you guys, so today we're gonna be doing a wig tutorial video. This was the best I can do. Maybe with practice I'll get better. If you guys would want to see more videos like this, let me know. And if you want to get a similar look and want to see how I did it, make sure to keep on watching. Okay, I don't know what I was doing with my hands there. Sorry, my boyfriend does not leave me alone. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and make sure to subscribe and keep on watching. The braids do not have to be perfect, you guys. After all, it is gonna be underneath the wig, so no one's gonna see them. And yeah, I'm not that good at braiding. Actually, I suck at braiding, but I want to get better at it. So now the other braid, really quickly. Let's see how fast I can do this. And I'm done with the other braid. Oh yeah. So I'm finally done with both of my braids. I look like Pee-Pee Longstocking. But we're just gonna pin them up and put on the wig cap. We're going to use a couple of bobby pins so that we can flat down the braids. And the other one, I literally look like a lunch lady. Can you guys tell I was eating Takis? Which moy. So we're gonna put this, clip this in. Ow. Ow! Okay, I need a mirror, you guys. So I'm gonna be looking down because the mirror is down, like right there. So I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you guys in the eyes and making that special connection. But it's because I'm looking at the monitor so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so there's one clip. Here's the other clip. It probably looks fake because it is fake. And it's a synthetic wig. And it was super cheap, but we're gonna make it look as natural as possible. So do you guys see? I'm gonna have to plug this more. Okay, I'm gonna have to plug this because I don't know, does it look real or not? I think it should be a little bit thicker. Alright, so we're gonna put the wig back a little bit. Then we're gonna do this. Look, my makeup is gone, which is okay. I look so crazy right now. We're gonna be using the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. We're gonna put that Let me put my hairs away first. Or no, actually, it's fine. I'm trying to leave those hairs, my baby hairs, out. You guys, I look so scary right now. I hope my boyfriend does not walk in right now because he's gonna be like, what the heck is going on? I'm gonna let it get tacky a little bit because it works just like the eyelashes. You know when you're gonna put your eyelashes on and you let the glue get tacky so it can be easier to like glue on? That's exactly, we're gonna put it back right there. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking out my baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get something really thin so I can part my parting line because I think this one's too thin. So this is the hair I want to take off, plug. So I'm gonna grab, and then you're just going to pull those hairs, but make sure there's not a lot because you can rip the lace. Look how much more natural this side looks than this side, and I've taken off this much hair just from this one side. So now we're gonna, from this side, and now we're just gonna go in with this side again. Also, what I can do to make it look more natural is take the sides and pin them to the side like this. And I feel like that look already looks a lot more natural. Yeah, like I was saying, this wig is really cheap. It was like $40, I believe. And honestly, I love it so much. I've used it, I've worn it before, and every time I wear it out, everyone's like, oh my god, I love your hair, who dyed your hair for you, and this and that, and I'm like, oh, it's actually a wig, and they're like, what? No. And I'm like, yep, it's a wig. I got it on my local, I got this on my local store. It's called BBB Fashion, just in case some of you live here in Arizona. Okay, never mind. I am not going to curl it just because it is so hot in here. Like I have so many lights right in front of me and it's so hot, but I'm gonna, there's hair. But I'm gonna braid it or something. So what I'm gonna do, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a really small braid right here. It's just the simple braid. And if you do not know how to braid, just twist it. Because for so long, you guys, I did not know how to braid. So I feel you guys don't know how to. So like that, and then I'll just pin it right there. I'll just bobby pin it right here. And ta-da! And the other way, you guys, is you guys can, if you guys can't braid, just twist it like this and do the same thing, and it has the same effect. So I'm just gonna braid it just so that it can match the other side. Back in with the razor and cut this off again. Just like that. Now the other side. Alright, and now what you can also do is try to grab some of your baby hairs and just try to bring them out. Like all these, you guys, are my baby hairs. And that's why if you're trying to make a wig look natural, you should get a wig that's ombre and that the top color is the color of your hair, because honestly that will make the difference. And this is the final look. Yay, finally done. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to click that notification bell, and yeah, thank you guys so much. This was really fun, and have a great day, you guys. Bye bye.